Dear students, our next topic is viewing files and folders. So Windows operating system provides us a very better way to manage our files or folders, and it provides us a different ways to view these files and folders. Now we will learn that in how many ways we can see our files and folders which are already in our computer or laptop. So first of all, double click at my computer icon. This my computer window get displayed here. So see, for example, in the left pane I am clicking here pictures folder. So the thumbnails of all the pictures are displayed here on the right side. Now I want to see the different views. I want to see these pictures in different kinds of views. So you can So for this, here are the tabs: file tab, home, share, view, manage, library tools, manage picture tools. These are the tabs here. So to see different views of our files or folders, we have to just click on view tab. जब हम व्यू टैब पर क्लिक करेंगे, यू कैन सी दैट देर आर डिफरेंट ग्रुप्स आर अवेलेबल हेयर: पेन्स, लेआउट, okay, current views, show, hide, etc. So under layout group, first of all we have to click on view tab. Then under layout group there are 8 types of views available. For example, first of all by default the large icons are available. जब हमने इसको ओपन किया था तब हमें पिक्चर्स के लार्ज आइकन्स ही दिखाई दे रहे थे. Now I am clicking the extra large icons. When we will click at extra large icons, then the thumbnails of our pictures will change to extra large. Okay, then again click on view. Then now click on small icons. Now see, these are the same images, but thumbnails are not displayed here. Only the names and extensions are displayed here. For example, see, the image name is img 20161211 wa0001.jpg. jpg is the extension of this particular file. Okay, jpg full form is joint picture enriched graphics. इसको हम jpeg भी कहते हैं. नाउ दिस इज अ स्मॉल व्यू. इसमें क्या होगा, सिर्फ आपको पिक्चर का थंबनेल नहीं दिखाई देगा, प्रीव्यू नहीं दिखाई देगा, बट बस आपको सिर्फ उसका नेम दिखाई देगा. नाउ आई एम अगेन क्लिकिंग हेयर व्यू मेन्यू. नाउ क्लिक एट टाइल्स. टाइल्स में क्या होगा, यू कैन सी द स्मॉल थंबनेल, the name of your file, the type of your file, and its size also. For example, this is a tile view. This is the thumbnail of your file. Now this is the name of your file, and jpg file, it is the extension, the type of your file, and 153 kb, it is the size of the file, 153 kilobytes. Okay, this is the tile view. Now I am again clicking view menu. Now large icons are you can see you are very familiar with, because this is the default view. In this large size thumbnails of our pictures are available, and name and extension is available. Now again click at view menu. Now click at list view. List view में सिर्फ आपको all the pictures will be available like a list, एक लिस्ट की तरह आपको अवेलेबल होंगी. Okay, now click at view menu, then click at content. Now content में क्या होगा, आपको डीप इंफॉर्मेशन देगा आपकी फाइल के बारे में. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, a small thumbnail, then the name of the file, the type of the file, and the resolution of it, the dimensions. फॉर एग्जाम्पल 1024 × 768 पिक्सल्स इसका जो रिजोल्यूशन है पिक्चर का वो भी डिस्प्ले होगा. देन साइज ऑल्सो. ओके, एंड द डेट, इफ़ यू हैव मॉडिफाइड दिस पिक्चर, then the date also and time also it will show you. It is the content view. Now I am again clicking at view and medium icons. मीडियम साइज में क्या होगा, आइकन्स जो थंबनेल्स हैं it will shift to medium size. Now I am clicking again view menu and details view. In the details view you can see the name of the particular file, the date, time when it was created or copied, and its size and ratings also. This is the details view. Okay, now I'm switching this view to the default view, that is large icons. Okay, do practical of the same. Try to convert the files or folders in different views. Okay, so thank you, take care, bye.